Good morning students, myself Mrs. Savita Pujari, your English miss, and today in grammar we'll be learning about present tense. Tenses you have already learned. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now in this lesson we'll be learning about in detail about the present tense. The present tense refers to present time, now, or the time of speaking or writing. Present tense has four forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So first we'll be learning about simple present tense. Now simple present tense is used to express facts, states and truth. For example, education makes us successful. So this is a truth sentence. The form of a verb in simple present, in the base form, the verb is the verb plus s or es for he, she and it and singular objects. For example, Sulekha paints well. Now in this, s is used in paints. That is simple present tense. Sulekha paints well. Only s or es is used for verb. In the base form of verb for I, we and you and plural subjects. For example, ants live in colonies. Next, if it is in simple present tense, how you will make the sentence in negative and in question form. Now in the negative form of the simple present tense, verbs change in the following way. Like keeps, for example. How you will write? Does not keep. Or keep, you can write it in do not keep. When a statement in the simple present tense is changed into a question, the form of verb and the order of words in the sentence also change. For example, Asha writes a story. Now you have to make it in a question form. Asha writes a story. Does Asha write a story? So this is in the question form. Next is uses of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for things that are true and don't change. For example, honey is sweet. Second example, it describes about the current situation. Tarun is in the basement or Sakshi wants some ice cream. To talk about something that happens frequently or regularly. Now sometimes you are also late to school. Same way here in this example, Sandeep always comes late to the college. To talk about schedule in the future. For example, the train leaves at 7:30 p.m. In this way you can use the simple present tense. Next is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to describe events, situations and actions going on at the present time. In the present continuous, the verb is in the form of is, am or are plus ing form of the main verb. For example, the sun is shining in the sky. Now the sun is there and shine is the verb. For shine we have added ing to form the main verb in the sky to make it in present continuous form. Next we'll move on to present perfect tense. The present perfect form of the verb is used to talk about an event happening in time period beginning in the past and leading up to the present. Now the verb in present perfect has the form has or have plus past participle of the main verb. For example, we have received our gift, or we have received your gift. So we, in place of have or has, have is written and plus past participle of the main verb, that is received. The present perfect is referred to as past with present relevance. Now how we will use it in negative sentences and in question form in present perfect. Now when the sentence is negative sentence, to make a present perfect verb form negative, we insert not between has or have and the past participle of the verb. For example, termites have eaten up the entire door. Now you have to use that. So how you will do it? Termites have not eaten up the entire door. Means you have used the word not in place after have. Now how you will form this in a question form? The form of a question in the present perfect tense is has or have plus subject plus past participle of the verb plus rest of the sentence. For example, have the termites eaten up the entire door? Means has and have will come first. Subject is termite and the past participle of the verb is eaten and the rest of the sentence, that is the entire door. In this way you can make the present perfect in question form. Now how you will use this present perfect in the sentences? What are the uses? The present perfect is used to talk about the past in relation to the present. For example, Sania has learned karate. Means she knew it now. She knows now. She has already learned karate. It was in past tense, but she also knows it. So that the past relation is shown to the present. Next is adverb like never, often, just, already and yet are often used with the present perfect. For example, I have never been to Sikkim. We will move on to present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense combines the ideas of the present perfect and the present continuous. The present perfect continuous focuses on the continuation of an activity from the past to the present. For example, I have been waiting for Rohan since 3 o'clock. I have been waiting for Rohan since 3 o'clock. Now I started waiting at 3 o'clock and still I am waiting. Means it shows that the continuation of the past to the present. Means I have been waiting, that is past, and still now I am waiting, that is continuation, means towards the present. The present perfect continuous is formed in this way: subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. For example, Teresa has been keeping ill. Now how you will make the sentences in negative and in question form of present perfect continuous. So we make the negative of a present perfect continuous construction by inserting not after the auxiliary verb has or have. Now I have not been waiting for Rohan. I have not been waiting for Rohan. This is the negative sentence what we have added after have, not. So not is inserted and have is an auxiliary verb. In question form, how to make the question? In the present perfect continuous, the subject comes after the auxiliary has or have. For example, have you been waiting for Rohan? See, it comes after subject. You is the subject. Now before subject, what is their auxiliary verb? Have, to make the question. Have you been waiting for Rohan? So this was the lesson about present tense. You have seen the types of present tense. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.